My name is Yurani lipeda manjarres. Presentation of the tourist park Mutata-Antioquia. Introduction of the place. You are looking for a place to walk? You could meet Mutata in Antioquia. A wonderful place. You saw a white skirt and umbrella. If it rains, you get rain eats. Its main attraction in the ride and the indigenous culture. Duration of the trip. It lasts 3 days and 2 nights. Mean of transportation. You can arrive with boat or car. Activities to do. Day 1. You can swim in the Mutata River. There are fishing contests. In the night, you will enjoy a surprise park and typical food. Day 2. Climb to the top of the mountain and camp. In the night, we'll attend and bonfire. Day 3. You will have the opportunity to ride a horse. You must pack before the road trip. Place to stay. You will like the hotel. It is made of straw. Typical foods. You can air fry fish or chicken soup. After 4 delicious passion fruit lemonade. Cost. The evaluate of the pack is 500,000.